Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today I will prepare something that a person asked me on YouTube. So one of you wanted me to cook these veggies. They are Bok Choy, also called Bok Choy, and I never tried them till 2 or 3 years ago when I spent a period in South Korea. In Asia, these are very common vegetables and they are keto. Maybe I will put you a link here when I was in Seoul shopping in a traditional market. It's fun, it's very short, and I really enjoy staying some weeks over there. You always learn from the kitchen, from the way of cooking of other countries, of other people, and you can always find something ketogenic. So let's go to prepare these veggies because they are green, they grow above ground, so they are keto. To prepare this recipe, you will need just a few ingredients, as usual. Apart from the bok choy, that are the stars of today's dish, you will need some olive oil, garlic and a little salt. I will prepare also a second bok choy dish, comparing the normal garlic with the black one. Black garlic is just fermented garlic. And I also will add some chili red hot flakes to spice it a little bit. Let's start by cutting and washing our bok choy. If you cut the extremity, it will be very easy. Then we will put some olive oil in 2 different pans, because remember that today we are going to prepare 2 different recipes with bok choy. The first one is with black garlic. I'm always been very curious about this ingredient, and when I've seen it at the supermarket, I bought it. It's typical from Asia, so this is an Asian dish and it will be perfect. It's a garlic that has been heated for weeks. The second recipe is with normal garlic. I'm using it because when I was in South Korea, this was the typical ingredient. It was everywhere, and the garlic over there is truly delicious. You can buy it in big bags, so I know that people over there eat a lot of garlic. But remember always to take out the darker part that you find inside the clove, because it's difficult to digest. If you have it, if you have a new garlic, a young garlic, you will not find it, so don't worry. Then chop it very little. I know I have the wrong knife, it's too big, but I will do my best. If you don't like to find big pieces of garlic in your dish, you can always use a poached garlic. It means an entire garlic just pushed, so you can take it out after the flavor is there. You can also use powdered garlic, but that's not the best choice. While browning the black and the white garlic at low heat in your pans, you can dry very well the veggies, because if you leave water when you will put them in a pan with warm oil, you will have a disaster, because you will have a lot of drops coming out of your pans. So dry the bok choy. And now add them to both pans, trying to do 50-50, but it's complicated. Add salt and cover with a lid, so the steam will make the bok choy softer. To the black garlic pans, we will add also the chili, so it will be a really special dish. now it's time for the disaster of the day. Here it's my mistake. I put the heating too high and I burn the white garlic. As you know, I don't cut my mistakes because it's real life and I love it. I can show you also what to do when this happens. I take out the garlic because the flavor is already there. And you know that burnt garlic is very bitter. During this period of the year, we have in Sweden very little light, so it's complicated to prepare this video, to cook during the light hours. I don't use artificial light, it's just the light from the window, but it lasts so little that I'm always running while preparing my recipe, and that's not good in the kitchen. You can make those mistakes. I also want to tell you that for this same reason, at the end of the video, we will do our walk in Stockholm at night. It was not really night, it was 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but it seems like very dark and deep night. It's beautiful because you can see also all the Christmas decoration. I love this season. As you can see, our bok choys are ready. I can put them in 2 different plates and I can taste them. What I can tell you after the taste is that both are delicious, but the black garlic tastes a little bit like licorice. So if you like licorice, I don't know if it's the color, what it is, but it really tastes like licorice. If you love it, you will love also this garlic. The other one is normal garlic, so it's a normal dish. But I have to tell that the chili are perfect. So next time for us, I will do normal garlic and chili. I really hope you like today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. You will make me very happy. So please also subscribe to the bell and you will know when I upload a new video. That is every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time, 2 p.m. In English. Every Wednesday at the same time in Spanish and every Friday in Italian. So I'm in Italian. Oh my gosh, my English is so sorry. I will wait for you next week. See you soon and thank you.
Of paper and pretending they would live. Wrap them up with ties and bows.